the screen, bro. Omi, Doral. We'll go for Lauderdale. We'll go for Lauderdale. This is where you gotta go for Lauderdale. Let's go. Melrose Park, Riverland, right here. We'll go Riverland. We'll go Riverland. We'll go Riverland. Hudson. Her name's Hudson? Yo, I like that name. I just don't know if I like Hudson. Figuring it out. U Miami. 5'7", Brickell. Wants kids, yes and yes. Wait. You can bring friends for my friends. I think I could do that. Hudson. Is there more pictures? Oh no. I can go back for free. Oh, that's fire. Pamela. 5'10". Yo, we're definitely going D3. Going Ellen. Watch. Yo, she's pretty. How old is she? 21, 5'5", Hispanic, Taurus, fashion. She's pretty, I think. Yeah. 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 I like this one. I like this one, I think. Ellen. Fashion. Fashion. Long term. Monogamy. Ellen IB. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna click X real quick. I wanna see the next one. Oh yeah, no. Okay. But if I just keep wait, oh I just ran out? Did I run out of Alright, let me text them. How do I do this? How do I send it? Oh I gotta okay. Send a like or send words? Um Fun fact, I love sushi and pasta. Brunch. English or Spanish? She's from Mexico? I fucks with that. She's 5'5". That's a good height. That's league bound right there. That's league. That's NBA shit. That's NBA shit. This is what we gotta hit with it. Gotta hit it with the zoo. You gotta put just like this. Put the zoo. We. No. Zoo. Look. Zoo. We. Just like this. This is how you do it. Zoo. We. Just like this. Zooey mamas. Zooey mamas. Zooey mamas. Hold on, let me Google it. See if I'm spelling that right. Zooey. Zooey mamas. Oh, there's two E's. There's two E's. Look, there's two E's, so you make one big E and one little E. Wait, did I spell mamas right? Or is that man's? M-A-M-A? Okay. Oh, I forgot the A. I'm tweaking. Zooey mamas. Zooey mamas. That's how you get them. Just like this. Zooey mamas. Just like this. This is the method. Zooey mamas. Right here. Is it sending? Done. Yo, it's not sending. Send like. Is this not sending? Why is it not sending? Am I doing it right? Do I send like or I don't want to send a like? Upgrade your like to a rose. Send a like. I want to send the message. How do I send the message? Am I tweaking? Why is it not working? Send like. I hate pickles. She doesn't hate pickles. She rides a motorcycle. That's the lie. I know you. Oh, what is he saying? Yo, I like her. Okay, we're good. All right, we're good. All right, we're good. Uh, leave one word review for this. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. Zoo. They didn't even show my words though. My shit is so fucked. Zoo. It's zoo, and then we. No, no, no. We emoji. Zoo we mamas. Mamas. Zoo we mamas. With an S. Why is it not sending? No, I'm about to tweak, dude. Why can't I send this? First of all, let's copy and paste this. Oh, we're learning your type. Oh, I just gotta keep going. Okay, okay, okay. Blah, blah, blah. Charlie. Yo, my Instagram. Oh, smart. She got the Instagram feed. FIU. No, she's older. She's older than me. How'd she graduate FIU? Throwing up. 5'2". Girl, she got 5'5", 5'7", 5'2". It don't matter. My baby says screw it. I'm getting behind you. And honestly, I do not get it. Is Alex and you driven? I'm just in love with these women. I don't know what's going on here. I can't really. Dark humor. She's 5'9". I like him tall. I'm not gonna lie. Comment if you've been here. She's not even verified. She's not verified. I ain't doing the non-verified method, dude. But some of these girls are real. They're just not verified. But I'm not. I ain't taking that risk with non-verified thing. Nah, I'm good. Sammy. I ain't get verified. Where the black girls? 4'11"? What? She doesn't look. No way. Why is it 5'3"? 5'3" is the cutoff mark. But this girl's pretty. I think. I'm looking for someone who will swallow an air tag for me. Don't hate me if I ghost you. I hate you. I hate you. India. Fine shit. Fine shit. She a little short though. I can tell. Yeah. Blake. I like that name. Five. No. Fine shit. I need some black girl. Wait, hold on. There's good black girls and let's get black girls and I want wait Southeast Asian or South Asian? I don't know the difference. I don't know the difference. I'll put Southeast though. I'll put Southeast. I only want two things right now. Let's look. No, no. B. No. Janessa. How old is she? Actually, no. I'm good. I'm good. Good. Wait. Wait a minute. Hold up. Yeah. Wait. Good. No. Who? What type of what type of thing, bro? I thought it was like a fake Amber. Innes. Jax. Oh. Fine shit. Nope. Nope. Why is everybody named Jasmine? Oh, that's weird. Oh no, this is fine shit. Please be like 5'3", please. 5'2". I won't shut up about anything. She pretty low. She was pretty low. Oh, wait. The matchmaking is skilling. The matchmaking is skilling. Hold on, let me think. Angelic. Let me like this. I'm gonna like this. I don't know what to say. I'm just gonna like it. This girl, purple. I don't know. Let's get that. Oh no, I'm good. I'm super good. Fine shit. Good. Good. Wait, whoa. What is with this super load? Chill. UK. Oh, she's from the UK, but she lives in Brickell. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, oh, fine shit. Spoiled baby me. Oh, fine shit, fine shit. Like me, Cap, Cap. Whoa, I can't. Cap, Cap, Cap in lowercase. Get him mad. That's how you do it. Cap. Just like that. Cap. Fine shit, fine shit. Your lights at the top. Oh. Fine shit, I think. Fine shit. How tall? 5'3"? Legal assistant in law firm. Can speak Italian, Spanish. Making parlays. Mmm. Fine shit. Fine shit. Latinas are top tier. Running either 2K Madden or NCAA beating you? This is no. This is a setup. This is no. This can't be real. This is a catfish. This is the catfish of doom. 2K Madden or NCAA? That game just came out. No way this is real. I'm calling catfish. Cats. See, you gotta be. put U and it says I. Like what? Doom. You gotta be the catfish of doom. So I have to just send it like that. I have to send a like. Okay. Nicole. Sidg6 and dollar ticket and cut it. Uh-oh. She know what she doing. Fine shit. Fine shit, fine shit, fine shit. 5-1 though. Ugh. Fuck. Fine shit, fine shit, fine shit. I watch anime. Mm. I'm trying to. I like Ashley. She's 5'1" though. Would I do it? No, I can't. I can't. 5'1's too small, bro. Delusional. Yeah. Diana. Diana. Fine shit. Fine shit. Fine shit. Seren. Let's see. Oh my god. I thought there was somebody else. Giovanna. Fine shit. Wait, wait. I just don't want to be called the milkman. That's really my concern. 5'6". Fine shit. House music. She's pretty though. No. 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 Wait. You can't go back more than one. No. She's big. I think. 5'4". She looks. I like this. I like the hair. Yan? Yenan? Oh, no, no, no. That one. I need someone bigger. Like 5'3" is my cut, bro. Oof. If I use Tonka, Tonka, Tonka. Tonka, Tonka. I might have to adjust, bro. I could look like that. Yeah, there's something wrong. Look. I have to adjust. I might have to fix it, bro. Because everybody's like 5'2", bro. Davey. Reyes? Chris? From Mr. Beast? Me and my best friend. Week and Bake Game of Thrones. Low key flex. Not political. Davey Hispanic. Don't have children. She's 19. Goes crazy for Chick-fil-A. Let's just I find shit. Mid shit. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, nah, nah. We'll do better. We'll do better. Luna? Nah, nah, nah. The miles. Make this shit like 25 miles. Yeah, that was too far. Doral is crazy. Doral is crazy. Malika. Malika. She has a white mom. She's a mixed baby. In good manners. Throwing up the foe. A little hood. I like it. I don't like dry humor. You should not go out with me if you don't like dry humor, sarcasm. Ooh. 5'10"? Oh my god, we're going D1. Oh my god. She's 5'10"? Oh my god. No. 5'10"? Sweet. Nah. 5'10"? Bruh, please work, bro. Wait, 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 wait. Look, now my shit acting up. Oh, wait. Zooey Mamas. My 5'10" Hooper. She's 5'10"? Oh my god. Zooey Mama's my 5'10" demon. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. 5'10" demon? Really? What am I thinking? 5'10" demon? What? 5'10". Oh my god. Yeah. 5'10" stallion? Is that crazy? 5'10", bro. She's 5'10". 5'10". Mm. And you 5'10"? Where is it at? Let me get the end. And you 5'10"? That's a super. What? 5'10"? LeBron James! James! Love her name, but Polka. It's a little far. Lean. Can we get like a verified hoes? I mean girls. I mean hoes. Issa. Everybody's name is Issa, bruh. Oh my god, I love her. Oh my god, she's strong as fuck. Oh my god, is this weird? Am I weird? Yo, she's strong as fuck. She's dating me with like, I don't get it. Zoe Mamas. Oh my god. Muscle mommy. Muscle mommy. Let me put it. Muscle mommy. Muscle mommy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Muscle mommy. What the fuck? She's huge. What is going on here? I'm good. Coral. I'm good. Oh, Eva. No. 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 What the fuck? You should not go out with me if you hate cats, R&B, taking pictures, long talks, dissecting the world in our own minds. Accuracy depends on how funny you are. Mmm. Let me know if you got that goatee perfect lip combo going on. Mmm. This is just for me. This is just for me. But she's 5 foot. Oh my god, she's 5 foot. Fuck. Dude. Dinner. Are we scheduled flowers? Because Hinge sucks. Oh my god. Wait, let me screenshot this because this is some fine shit right here. Caught in the act. Wait, what happened? She looks good here. Fine shit. Look, I heard you was talking about. I heard you was talking about me. Han, I heard you was talking about me. I heard you was talking about me. Mmm. That's cook up. That's cook up. That's cook up. That's cook up right there. I heard you was talking about me. Boom.